If you want to become a thought leader in any kind of topic and you're in business, then posting articles on LinkedIn is a great way to do that. Now, the great thing about this is you don't have to write the articles yourself. You're just finding the articles, you're giving your opinion of the article, and then you're linking to the article. I built an AI agent using Relevance AI that will actually go out and find articles on a topic, figure out what the best one is, generate the LinkedIn post, and then send it to make.com, which then posts it into LinkedIn. So I've been posting 3 times a week about AI agents in LinkedIn, and all of it has been happening through this agent. So I'm going to walk you through that, both the Relevance AI agent and the make.com scenario, and I'll make both of those available to you so you can use these for yourself. So you just click on the link in the description below and you can get all of these for yourself. So the first thing to know about building an agent inside Relevance AI is that you have to tell it what the user is going to give it. And so you'll notice that there's this section called user input. So I just have a research topic, right? Like, what is it that you want me to go out and research? Now, I've pre-populated it for this demo, AI agents in Fortune 500 companies. Now that it has the topic, you can do a Google search and you can pass that information in using this variable right here. So find the latest news and trends about that topic, right? Now you'll notice that it comes back and it has all of these different articles. It has 4 different articles that it went out and it found. Here's the title, here's kind of a snippet from it, here's the article URL itself. Again, all of this is happening in the AI agent. I didn't do any of this. So then I say, okay, great. So you're an expert content generator for social networks. Look at the list of articles and choose the one that's most likely to get the most engagement online. The audience for these posts are business owners or corporate sales professionals. Choose an article that seems most relevant to that audience. So then it's going to go through, it's going to take all the articles and it's going to choose one out of those. Then I'm going to run an LLM and I'm going to ask it, I'm going to ask it, okay, great. Now it's picked the article and then output the information from the article right here. Isn't this cool? This is so amazing. Like, I didn't have to do any of this. So then you are an expert social media marketer. Based on the article supplied, generate the best LinkedIn post for maximum engagement. So it's going to come back and it's going to output all of that. Now look at this. Here is my entire LinkedIn post. It's got a kind of an idea, like my opinion about the post. It's got the link to the original article. It even puts in hashtags that make sense for that article. And once I've done all that, then all I have to do is send this over to Make, and Make will then post it into LinkedIn for me. So let's just recap what we did here. So we gave it a topic. It went and found 4 different articles that are based on that topic. It chose the best article out of those 4. It created a LinkedIn post for me that included the URL to the article. And then it sends all that information to Make so that it can post. So then let's go over to Make and let's take a look at what it actually looks like to post. Okay, so now we're in Make. Now, again, I will have the template for the agent and this template available for you so you can do whatever you want with it, make it your own. But essentially, you'll notice that this starts with a webhook, right? And the last step in this is sending it to that webhook, right? So here's the webhook for Make, and we just say send over whatever that LinkedIn post answer was from the last step. And then when we go into Make, it will receive that. And so like I've got an example here. So it's received, it's a different article, but it's the same idea. So it received the entire post that it wants to post into LinkedIn. Then it goes over to here and I just say, make sure you rewrite this in a natural one-to-one code. And this is something that I think is really important. Don't use corporate speak. So for some reason, ChatGPT is kind of biased to always use this kind of like basic corporate jargon approach, and it doesn't sound very natural. And so I found like running it through another prompt to say like, okay, I see what you have. Now let's rewrite it so it's a little more human-like, really helps in terms of what it ends up posting. So once it does that, you'll notice that I've got, slightly different input here, but it again has the whole article, has the URL for it, and it's ready to go. So once I've done that, all I have to do is choose a router. Now, a router is just something that will go through each of those steps and will repeat whatever the steps are. So the first thing I wanted to do is post onto my personal. And so if we open this up, will notice that, all I'm doing is posting the content that came from this, and that's it. I don't choose anything else. Everything else is exactly the way it is. And I post it. Then after it runs this one, it will then run this one, which is my organization. So I have a business page on LinkedIn. It will also run that on LinkedIn. And again, all I'm posting is the result that comes out of this chat GPT. That's it. So every 3 times a week, I have a scheduled task that goes in and actually gives it a topic to research. It'll research the topic. It'll generate the article. It'll generate the post, and then it will post it onto LinkedIn. So this is a great way to build your kind of social following in a business sense. If you want to become an industry leader in something, this is the best way to do it. And again, I will have all of this for you in the comments. You can download the make.com scenario. You can download the agent. You can do whatever you like with it. I just hope you find it helpful. Thanks.